Hello friends, this is Dr. Hema, MD in Homeopathy from Mumbai. Today's topic is blepharospasm, focal dystonia, eye twitching. इसके बारे में बताऊंगी. So, blepharospasm, what does it mean? आई ट्विचिंग है ये. इसमें जो आपके आईज हैं वो ट्विच करते हैं. ट्विचिंग इज कंटिन्यूस फ्लिकरिंग ऑफ योर आईलिड्स. तो ये क्यों होता है और ये किन में होता है? इसका जो बेसिक कॉजेज़ है वो है जेनेटिक कॉजेज़. जिनको है ये प्रॉब्लम्स जेनेटिकली उनको आता है. एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स लाइक एक्सपोजर टू टॉक्सिक एनवायरमेंट्स. देन यू हैव different deficiencies, vitamin deficiencies like B12, D, calcium, magnesium, potassium and electrolytes. It is very much common if you have a brain tumor. It can also cause eye twitching. इसका सिम्टम्स क्या है? सिम्टम्स में देर इज़ कंटिन्यूस ड्रूलिंग ऑफ द अपर आईलिड. अपर आईलिड जो है वो बंद हो जाता है एंड इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू ओपन फॉर द पेशेंट फॉर सम टाइम. सो देर इज़ रेडनेस ऑफ द आई, स्वेलिंग, देर इज़ वाटरी डिस्चार्ज, देर इज़ ड्रूलिंग ऑफ द अपर आईलिड, मतलब ड्रूपिंग ऑफ द अपर आईलिड. आईलिड बंद हो जाता है. इट इज़ इनवॉलेंट्री, नॉट इन द कंट्रोल ऑफ द पेशेंट. In that what you can do is I will tell you preventions. तो आप prevention क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? पहले तो you have to avoid high sugar and high caffeine and keep your bedtime routine proper, because tiredness can also lead to fatigue, stress, anxiety can also lead to this eye twitching. So you do correction in your lifestyle and your routine diet. You can have a rich, if you have started this problem of eye twitching, you can increase the intake of vitamin B12, like fruits you can have bananas, apples, oranges, pomegranate, guava, kiwi, also avocados. Also banana and avocado smoothie can lead to a very good result for stopping the eye twitching, because it is very rich in magnesium and potassium. So basically the intake of the calcium and vitamin should be increased. Even milk, cheese, paneer can be taken for the treatment of eye twitching. That is also called focal dystonia. It's actually a muscle problem. It's an eye muscle which has a problem. There is no problem with the vision or the numbers. किसी को specs है, there is no problem. So these are the prevention at the level of home that you can do it if you suffer from blepharospasm. The only worry is if this goes more than a week, or if it remains for 1 to 2 years, you need to take a proper treatment, the homeopathy treatment. I will also tell you the mental causes that a homeopathic doctor takes in these cases, because it is lack of deficiency and everything is less and there is anxiety. The nature of the person is not angry and over extrovert or talking. Here the people are anxious, they talk less, they are introvert, they are not able to talk. So people who are lacking in things suffer from this kind of spasm, and there is a weakness of the muscle. This is just few mental causes that a homeopathic doctor takes, but definitely there is much more that a homeopathic history goes with, and this heals the immune system from the root cause and you get wonderful results. So various medicines are used. A few names are zinc met, then agaricus, euphrasia, physostigma and sulfur are few remedies that we use. If you have any queries in this topic, you can WhatsApp me, and you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.